They are not just physical changes, but I feel changes in my emotional well-being, in my mental well-being. As I've already mentioned, that this treat was a break for me. It was a stress. I came as a stress buster to take a break from my city life. But this retreat has given me more than that. It has been an immense journey. 3 days पता ही नहीं लगा कब ख़त्म हो गए और expectation से बहुत अच्छा रहा ये. I'm feeling so light, so better, and out of city, it's actually a retreat and a break. I was dealing with a major health problem with my tongue, and I am not very open about it because people may, if you Google a geographical tongue, it looks very gross. So I am not very comfortable. But yes, I would like to tell that after these 3 days, I have felt a lot of change in my tongue, in the overall looks of the tongue. Not just the redness and the soreness has gone, but also the pain and the irritation that I used to feel because of my tongue, that has also gone. So I would recommend this to anybody who is taking a lot of junk food and acidic foods. Here the diet that is given is quite balanced, and they literally make you eat water, which has really helped ease my tongue. Few things were quite eye-opening. It was like a wake-up call. There were too many things that were very general, but the way it was taught and the practical knowledge added to that, it was not like a lecture, but it is something which is very easy and we can use in our practical life. The first day when I was asked to do Jal Niti, Kunjal, Enema, and I think with I cup, most of the time I was getting too anxious about it because I've never done this. This is my first time I did it, but the staff was very helpful with it. I have taken naturopathy care. I have been there, but nobody generally cares. The staff doesn't care, even if you're doing it or not doing it. But here they were very motivating and helping a lot, and they wanted you to do. So with their help, I was able to do Jal Niti, and today was my second day of it, and I feel very relaxed in my nose, and my overall face feels very light. Body massage was very good. Again, the staff was very good. Pragya Di and Geeta Di, they are very experienced, and the way they were pressing my acupressure points, it was amazing. The food quality, the taste, it was as good as the vibration and the energy with which it was served. Even your home food can't match the kind of vibrations and the environment that you get over here. It's very difficult to match. So that's a challenge that I'm going to face after the retreat. But the energy that this retreat has given me, I think that I feel very motivated and inspired to continue this. This retreat is only for people who are actually very serious about their health, and who want to make use of everything that they have learnt over here. This retreat is not for people who are party freaks or who do not care about their health at all. So yes, that kind of people are very difficult to find, but yes, to them I will highly recommend.